Hey guys, Aubrey from the Love Assembly here. Today is a super exciting day because I'm going to be taking you behind the scenes on a digital content creation day with the new Panasonic LUMIX G100 camera. If you've ever wondered how to, or you want to learn any tips and tricks, or maybe you're just curious in what goes on in the digital content creation world, keep watching. I've just checked in to a beautiful location here in Sydney, and I'm going to be shooting for a couple of brand campaigns as well as a free video training series for Wonderlove Club, which is my coaching for creatives who want to make the world their office doing something that they love. So I'm going to be batch filming all of the videos in that series on the Panasonic LUMIX G100 camera. Every day is different, which is honestly what I love about this job that I've created for myself. When it comes to brand campaigns, I only like to work with brands that are a genuine fit, which I feel like every content creator or influencer should be doing. Some of my top values are freedom, connection, creativity, love, and truth. A lot of jobs do come through, and having values makes it so much easier as a content creator to know what decisions to make and which direction to take. There's generally 3 parts to my creative process: planning and production, shooting on location, and editing and post-production. Okay, so one of the key features that I absolutely love about this camera is that you can set frame markers on the screen. This involves coming up with a creative concept, location sourcing and booking, outfit planning, and product styling. In today's digital world, clients typically need content for different ratios. This helps me when I'm planning my shots in advance because I know I can be shooting for both landscape and vertical for social media ratios at the same time. Seriously, it's such a game changer. I've already set mine up to mark in green for both landscape and 9:16, but you can set your own color, aspect ratio, and the opacity of the border. Hey guys, welcome to Wonderlove Club's Self-Discovery Digital Retreat. The G100 actually has inbuilt Ozo audio, which is powered by Nokia. So there's 3 microphones in the camera, which means that there's no need for an external mic. There's front and back mode for when you're speaking to the camera or behind the lens. The surround mode picks up sound from all different directions, and then tracking works with the face recognition autofocus to track your voice, which is super handy when you're vlogging amongst the crowds. It's got Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, which honestly, it's one of those features of a camera that I just need these days. It makes it really easy to connect to your devices, edit your images, and share them all on the go. Now, I'm not a fan of carrying heavy camera equipment, but I don't want to compromise on quality. I love how the G100 is super lightweight, it's tiny, and it even fits in my small little purse. I hope you enjoyed coming along behind the scenes on this content creation day with me with the Panasonic LUMIX G100 camera. Let me know if you have any other questions about it all. And remember, I also filmed the entire video training series for Wonderlove Club with this camera as well. So if that sounds of interest to you, I would love to connect and have you join the club. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.